right, I'm gonna get the last point here. Next point wins.
Go through. Run. Hey.
Oh! Just like Aki missing a lot. I'm just kidding, man. I'm just playing, man. That was a good shot. I'm just messing. That was a good shot. But it is always that, like, right? Almost. Go, Max! Oh! Oh! Nice shot. Thanks for playing with us. Thank you. What are you guys' names? What are you guys' names?
August,
Keith. And what is your name?
Smith.
Smith?
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to
Okay,
meet you
cool.
too.
And you go to college or?
I'm going next year,
You're
but
going
it's
next year?
all online, so.
Okay, cool. All right, your dad asked me where these films are gonna go. So
Oh, yeah.
We're Rainier Beach FC, so
Okay.
look us up and yeah, check the video.
Instagram or something?
Huh?
Instagram or something?
Instagram and YouTube.
Okay,
So
YouTube.
yeah.
Thank you.
What club did you play for?
We played for the Rain Academy, but August is switching back to Seattle United.
Seattle United. And you play for Seattle United right now? And you do too. Okay, cool. All right, good luck to you guys.
Thank
And you too?
you.
You
Yeah,
must be
me
playing,
too.
obviously. Seattle United. Anyways. All right, thank you guys.
7.
Yeah, 7.
Snatched the ball and fucking nagged me and scored, my dude. You know how sad that is? Yo, step on my toe, bro. Hey, the other one. No, other one, my nigga. The fuck other one? Are you stupid?
Oh, I didn't know.
Damn, bro. Go, step on it.
Look at Aaron. I know. Hey, stretch my leg out.
Hey, 3.